Hi, I'm Harish Guriyati and welcome back to my channel. Today, I just wanted to share about the data migration tools that are available on AWS for you to consider if you are planning to migrate to AWS from either an on-premise, on-premise data center or from any other cloud vendor. So let's dive in. But before we go ahead and jump explain about this, let me go ahead and explain why even consider migrating to AWS, right? So why you should, as a business, consider migrating to AWS. So businesses of all sizes, migrate their workloads to AWS because the benefits that AWS offers when you migrate are like unmatched, basically when compared with other cloud vendors and stuff. So what are they? So you will save there are, businesses experienced at least 66% up to 66% in infrastructure cost savings, 77 reduction in licenses required, 43% lower time to market for new features, 29% increase in staff productivity on innovation features, and 45% fewer security issues. So just looking at these numbers, you will see the benefits of considering migrating your workloads to AWS. I strongly recommend that you at least give it a try and see what you will gain, even if you don't go through the whole process. Just to explore that opportunity or explore that option is something I strongly recommend every business owner to consider. And if you're a small business owner, it will be even more beneficial, and also it'll be you'll have even better benefits because your migration will take less time and you will get to it quickly. So how do you know what yes, you want to migrate, so what how do you do it? So the thing is, there is a program called Migration Acceleration Program, and that helps you to migrate your workloads for free to AWS. So what that really does is you engage an AWS partner and you understand, they'll explain you the migration process, they'll enroll you in the map program. They will provide you either the cash and credits through map program, and they might complete the migration and you can scale your business later, right? So people think, okay, now I have to go through this migration project, it's going to cost me so much. Absolutely not. So the whole idea of this program is to get customers onto AWS with net zero spend. So yeah, go ahead, give it a try, reach out either to me or any AWS partner who can help you out with with and explain you the map program and show you how you can migrate to AWS without even spending a single dollar. So now let's talk about the migration tools today. So there are three types of data migration tools. The first one is data sync, the next one is data transfer family, and finally AWS Snow family. So what is data sync? So data sync discovers and also moves your data from either on-premise or within AWS or other cloud storage, with even with end-to-end security, including data encryption and integrity validation. So if you have good internet, if you have good internet service, or your data is on the cloud and moving to AWS, then and you want to preserve the security, and also you want to make sure the integrity of the data is still valid after the migration, then data sync is your choice. So that is pretty straightforward, right? So that's how you use a data sync. Now coming to the transfer family. So what is a transfer family? So transfer family is typically to migrate data from your, let's say you have an FTP job that runs on your on-premise data center or VMware or anywhere. So if you have workloads like data in FTPs that you manage, and things like that. So basically FTPs, right? So you can use the transfer family to go ahead and migrate your FTP. Use data using FTP and set it up on AWS with similar workflows on how it used to be in your primary or your source destination, right? So source environment. So that's the transfer family. Now let's talk about the snow family, which is really popular as well. So snow family is not a service, is not like an online, or that doesn't work on the internet, right? Snow family is a device, so they have snow cone, snowmobile, right? So these are the devices that snowball they actually ship. AWS ships the snowball, snow cone, and snowball devices to your location, and then you connect it to your data center or the servers, and then go upload it, and then send it back, ship it back to the to AWS. So that's what Snow Family devices do, and the good part is some of these Snow Family I mean not you can also opt for Snow Family devices that have compute power on it, so they can run some jobs like syncing the data into with the probably Kinesis streams or something like that. Any computing jobs you can also go ahead and do that with Snow Family products like Snowmobile, Snowcone, and Snowball. So those are the three ways, or the three migration tools that are available within the AWS space to migrate the data to AWS. So again, this video is just to give you an overview of the options that you have. My whole objective here is to get you to at least try this path, go down this path and see if it's the right choice for you. So give me a call or send me an email or send a comment so that we can consider on how to how you can migrate to AWS for free, and and enjoy the significant benefits that you will get. I hope this video is useful. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna do a lot of hands-on videos going forward because I'm currently working on a big migration project. So I'm gonna start sharing a lot of content on migration. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.